Hi friends, here we are given A, B, C are lengths of sides of a triangle. Then this expression B plus C minus A times C plus A minus B times A plus B minus C, whole of this minus ABC, whether it is positive, negative or non-positive or non-negative. Right. So we can see some similarity here. B plus C minus A, C plus A minus B, A plus B minus C. Right. These three are symmetric. At the same time, these are lengths of sides of triangle. That means sum of two sides is greater than the third side. That means this is positive, this is positive, this is positive. All three are positive. Right. We have three positive numbers here and minus ABC. Right. Let us use AMGM inequality. What is AMGM inequality? Arithmetic mean of two positive numbers is greater than or equal to geometric mean of those numbers. Equal when both the numbers are same, otherwise it is greater. Right. Now let's take the first two numbers, b plus c minus a. This is a number, right? And c plus a minus b. That is also a number. Right. And both are positive because these are sides of triangle and sum of two sides is greater than the third side always. So if you see b plus c minus a plus c plus a minus b by 2 should be greater than or equal to under root of product of these two numbers, b plus c minus a and c plus a minus b. But here you can see, here there is b and minus b, here there is minus a and there is plus a. That means in this sum, b and a will cancel, will be left with 2c by 2, that is c. C is greater than or equal to under root b plus c minus a into c plus a minus b. This under root will work because both these numbers are positive. Right. Now similarly, if we take other two numbers, for example, b plus c minus a and a plus b minus c, if we take these two numbers, then here there is c minus a and here there is a minus c. So a and c will cancel each other, will be left with b. If we do the sum of these two, will be left with average of these two is 2b by 2, then b is greater than or equal to under root b plus c minus a into under root a plus b minus c. Similarly, if we take the other two, then we will get a is greater than or equal to under root c plus a minus b times c plus a plus b minus c. We are just doing arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean. We are taking arithmetic mean of these two here, which is a, and these two here, which is b. Right. Now, let's take all the left hand sides and multiply now. ABC should be greater than or equal to the product of these three. Right. That is big under root. Then here we have c plus a minus b, which is twice. B plus c minus a. This is also twice. Here. C plus a minus b is here and here. And a plus b minus c is here and here. So we will get ABC is greater than or equal to under root a plus b minus c whole square, b plus c minus b whole square, and a plus c minus b whole square. Right. Now all three are positive. That's why this squares and square root will cancel. We'll be left with ABC is always greater than or equal to b plus c minus a, c plus a minus b, and a plus b minus c. Right. So clearly this one is less than this one. That means this minus this is less than or equal to 0. But wait, here when is the equality happening? Equality will happen, say for example, equality will happen when both these are equal. For example, right, these are equal, then this C equals this or B equals this, whatever. But when these are equal, let's say, for example, B plus C minus C is equal to C plus A minus B. What does that mean? C and C will cancel each other. This means B minus A equals A minus B. That means A equals B. But in the given problem, is there anything given about that ABC are different? If in this case, if ABC are different, all three sides are different, then it will be only ABC is greater than this thing. But if they are same, then equality can hold, right? For example, if all three are same, then B plus C, let's say all three are equal to A or some X, then this becomes X. This also will become X. This also will become X. This becomes X cube, and minus this also becomes X cube. If all three are same, then equality holds. But if they are different, then this then it is strictly greater. ABC is strictly greater than this product. Right, guys? Hope you understood this. Thank you.